Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Pharmacy with Dr. Radhika Bhaskar. Please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today's topic of discussion is tablets. We'll start our discussion with the definition of tablets. Tablets may be defined as solid unit dosage form of medicament or medicaments with suitable excipients. That means drug plus excipients when compressed together give a tablet. Now these drugs are actually the medicinal agent which have the medicinal properties, whereas excipients are the inert substances which do not have any medicinal property. They just add bulk to the drug. When we use drug in very small amount, let's say about 1 mg, 2 mg, 5 mg or 10 mg, तो इतने small amount को compress करना compression machine पे is very difficult. So to increase the bulk of the drug, we add the excipient to them. Next is the advantages of tablet. First one is tablets have the greatest dose precision and least content variability. They have the lowest cost. They are lightest and most compact. Tablets are easiest and cheapest to pack and ship. Product identification is simplest and cheapest. This product identification actually help companies for the rapid identification of their products in the market. These identification marks could be engraving, embossing or printing on the tablets. The printing could be anything like company's name or a symbol or the product code, product name or the potency of the tablet. Now this process is simplest and cheapest because we add this embossing or engraving on the punches of the tablet which we are going to use in the manufacturing during the compression process. Tablets have the greatest ease of swallowing. Special release profile products such as control release tablet, sustained release tablet, delayed release tablet and enteric-coated tablets can be easily manufactured. They are better suited for large scale production. Chemical, mechanical and microbiological stability is highest in case of tablets. Now the key points of the advantages of tablets are: first, they have the dose precision, they have lowest cost, they are lightest and compact, easy to ship, simple identification, ease of swallowing, easy manufacturing, easy large scale production, and last but not the least, highest stability. With this all good number of advantages, there are certain disadvantages of tablet also. Disadvantages of tablets are: first, some drugs resist compression. There are certain drugs which are amorphous in nature or flaky in form. तो ऐसी drugs के अंदर अपने आप में compressibility नहीं होती है. तो we cannot give them or compress them as tablets. Drugs with poor wetting, slow dissolution property, intermediate to large doses are almost difficult or impossible to formulate as tablet as they do not provide adequate or full drug bioavailability in the body. Drugs जिनकी poor wetting होती है या फिर dissolution rate बहुत slow होता है, ऐसी tablets को ऐसी drugs को tablet form में compress करना is not useful क्योंकि उन्हें हमें body में उनकी complete bioavailability नहीं मिल पाती है. Bioavailability means rate and extent of drug absorption in the body. Drugs which are bitter in taste or have objectionable odor or drugs with oxygen or atmosphere sensitive may require special treatment. जिनका टेस्ट बिटर है या फिर ऑब्जेक्शनल ऑर्डर है, जैसे कि आपके मल्टीविटामिन्स या फिर ड्रग्स जो कि एटमॉस्फेयर से मॉइस्चर को एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं एंड गेट लिक्विफाइड, ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स को हमें स्पेशली ट्रीट करना पड़ता है बिफोर देयर कंप्रेशन, और ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स को लार्ज स्केल प्रोडक्शन में हैंडल करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो वी प्रेफर कैप्सूल फॉर देम एज कंपेयर टू द टैबलेट. Tablet may not be a friendly dosage form for administering to pediatric and geriatric population. क्यों? क्योंकि ऐसी population के अंदर saliva content अपने आप में ही कम रहता है, जिसकी वजह से वो tablet की swallowing उनके लिए difficult रहती है. Now the key points of disadvantages are: first one, amorphous drug, difficult to compress. Drugs with poor wetting or slow dissolution property or are required in large doses are difficult to manufacture as tablet. Drugs which are bitter in taste or are sensitive to moisture are difficult to handle for the large scale production. tablets are not a comfortable dosage form for pediatric and geriatric population. Properties of tablets are: tablets should be an elegant product and free from all the defects. They should have strength to withstand the mechanical shocks during the manufacturing, packaging and shipping. They should have chemical and physical stability to maintain its physical attribute over the time. They should be able to release its medicinal agent in predictable and reproducible manner. And there should not be any chemical alteration of medicinal agent over the time. With this, we are end with our topic of discussion. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share the videos. Thank you.